Hi, my name's Tori, and I'm going to give you a tour of our Henry Science Center building. No matter what major you are, you will have a class in this building. So let's go! When you first walk in, to the right here is a computer lab. And if we keep going down this hallway, we have some more lecture halls, a bigger lecture hall, and some research labs. Throughout the hallway, you'll find various showcases throughout the different branches of science, including this aquarium. As you can see, this is one of our bigger lecture halls. The stacked levels makes it a really good advantage for every student to make sure that they can see the teacher and the material being taught. Here's another example of a classroom here in our Science Center. As you can see, the whiteboards make a really good study spot for students when there's no class occurring. Here's an example of one of our research labs. In here, you would learn biological functions such as hematology, cardiovascular, and neuromuscular functions. Behind me in the foyer, we have two big lecture halls, and if you take a peek this way, there are multiple casual learning spaces where students go to relax or to go to study between classes. Located on the second floor are all of our biology labs, along with multiple whiteboards lined down the hallway to help you study. Connecting the lab is our preparation room, which makes it easy for students to access anything they need for labs, such as our flasks or any other lab materials. In here, we also have our big refrigerators, which hold our animal cadavers for our dissection labs. Our biology labs are equipped with state-of-the-art computers as well as overhead lights. And behind me, we have various different specimens and tools you can use throughout the lab so you can learn about science. Here in the labs, we are constantly learning. There's a class going on behind me, so let's go spy and see what they're doing. Throughout the building, we have multiple study rooms equipped with whiteboards to help you with your everyday study needs. One of the benefits of our Henry Science Center is the close proximity of our labs to our faculty offices. So right after lab, if I have a question, I can just walk right into her office and ask her. Hey!
How can I help you?
I have a question about lab.
Oh, sure.
The third floor of our building is known as our chemistry department floor. We have different laboratories for different specializations, such as molecular biology, organic chemistry, and more research labs. Now we're in the organic chemistry lab. Here we have a spectacular piece of equipment known as our 300 megahertz NMR machine, where we measure any and all chemicals. As mentioned before, all of our labs have their own lab prep room. Specifically for our chemistry department, we have all of our inorganic and organic compounds. Another resource that our third floor labs have is our cold room. Here we can do different molecular biology experiments. Also located on the third floor in one of our casual learning spaces is a really good view that overlooks our Mercy Center, so you can always say hi to the sisters. Next up on our tour is the first floor. Here on the first floor, we have more classrooms and more research labs that are primarily used for physics and ecology. Hungry between classes? Come check out our student lounge that's equipped with a microwave, refrigerator, and vending machines. Also on our first floor is our state-of-the-art cadaver lab, equipped with locker rooms and an area for virtual dissection table. As we move forward, you'll see our sanitation area, which allows you to stay clean before and after lab. As we move into our main area here, we have many different computers and dissection tables that are equipped with multiple different resources to help you learn about the human body. Located on the first and third floor are our greenhouses, which are used for our botany research. Our last stop is our ecology lab, where we got these little guys from in our aquarium room, and a research paleontology lab. Alright, well that marks the end of our tour. Although I didn't get to cover everything that makes the Henry Science Center so special, that means you'll just have to come and find out. Thank you for watching, and roll Cougs!